Here are some clues for you on how to handle the MicroQ. MicroQ and docking station. If you want to transfer data to the company network, please always ensure that the MicroQ is switched on when you put it into the docking station. If it is switched off, the network will not be able to recognize it. How to rename a MicroQ. There are two possibilities how to rename a MicroQ. First, with PAK tunes. We can see all available front ends on the left under Devices. We select our MicroQ, click on Rename on the top left, and assign a new name. Second, with the web interface of the MicroQ and the PAK Capture app. We can find the web interface in the PAK Capture app on the tab More under PAK MK2 Configuration. The device name can be changed under Advanced. You can also change the name of the WLAN SSID so that the device name equals the WLAN name. This can be done on the tab Network in the section WLAN in the web interface. In order to change the name, we will require a password. The default after delivery is password. MicroQ and licenses. Paid functions such as triggers or GPS can be added to the free PAK Capture app. These paid functions are activated by licenses. The licenses already installed on the MicroQ are displayed in PAK tunes under Details to Firmware and Licenses. If you wish to add further functions to your MicroQ, please contact your sales representative.